Hey guys, today we're out at David's Homes Courtyards at Bellwood on the east side. I am going to take you through a tour of a paired patio property of Davis Homes, and the floor plan is the Rock Haven. So let's go inside and take a tour on what is going on.
Thank you. All right, you step inside. Let me go find them for you.
Okay.
So then we have two quick move-in homes. We got one over there.
All right, guys. So this is basically a townhome. You have a shared wall with another unit. It's not really classified as. Let me open up the garage here. See if I can even see. Oh, here we go. All right, so two-car garage, as you can see. All right, they're using a storage area, that kind of thing. So right now we've got a Realtor showcase going on here. But here are the two models that are available out here at the Courtyards of Bellwood. They've got about 3, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15 lots available. Go in here into the open concept.
She lives just like right down the road, like in
Yeah, okay.
How much is this running?
You start on at 245.
So this floor plan right here, like I said, is the Rock Haven. All right, let's do a little pan here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 people down here. Definitely this could be considered a party area. Plenty of room on the lower floor. Plenty of room. Starts out $245. This one currently is listed at $268.9. So we got an open concept over here. Islands, stainless steel appliances. We have directly behind is the pantry. Now the arrangement here that they have, the living room here and office there. Let's flip this where the living room would be over here and over here would be considered the dining area. So like I said, this is a paired patio property. It is 1,844 square foot, 4-bedroom, laundry room on the second floor, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage. So let's go upstairs and see where the main level is. So like I said, we got 4 bedrooms up here, 2.5 bath, half bath downstairs, 2 full baths upstairs. As we're coming in at the top of the stairs, small loft area where you could probably put a couple chairs like they're showcasing here. You could probably put a great desk for the kids in this area. Have 2 where they could sit there and do their homework. Envision that as well. So let's try to find out if there's anybody up here. So here's the full bath on the second floor. It looks like our rooms are about, I'm guessing, 10 by 10. All right. So we got another bedroom here. So it's 2 forward, loft area. Here is the laundry room and mechanicals. So those are up here on the second floor as well. Another bedroom. I don't think it's 10 by 10. This is a great starter home for a family or single person who wants to have some roommates. Yeah, this would be great for even investors. Walk-in closet. Off the primary, access to the attic. Linen closet. I would like to see, and what you could do, there's plenty of room, is to do a walk-in shower. I would like to see that here. So that's something you could have done down the road. Build this out, plenty of room for a walk-in shower. Primary, thinking we're about 12 by 13. The floor plans that I have did not have any information on it. So let's go downstairs real quick once again. Like I said, 1,844 square foot. It is a smaller property, but it is a great entry-level property. All right, I'll take you around the back so that way you get an idea what it looks like.
You're scared?
Guys, this community up here, we're at 38th and German Church area. There's a lot of activity going on as far as building in this area. So if you want to be on the east side in the Warren Township area, check out the Davis Homes Courtyards at Bellwood. If you want a personal introduction, VIP style, I'll be glad to get that done for you. All my contact information is down below. I'm Devin Hunter, Realtor here in the Indianapolis metro area. Be glad to take care of you, whether it's a new build property, whether it's an existing home property like right across the street you're looking to buy. If you have a property that you're looking to sell, I'll be glad to help you out with that as well. If you're an investor looking to purchase a home like this, or maybe both homes, and that way you could start a portfolio of investment properties all in one location, let me know. Like I said, all my contact information is down below. I'm glad to help you out. Devin Hunter, Realtor here in the Indianapolis metro area, and also I am licensed down in Florida. So if you're looking to purchase or sell or whatever needs that you have, feel free to reach out to me. Like I said down in the video, I have all my contact information. I'm here to help you get what you want. I think we got another property down here we're going to go check out.